Hello students,
Audio Jungle.
today we will discuss HTML anchor tag. This one tag is used to create a link. As usual, all of you listen about the hyperlink. This one is just like hyperlink. Okay, so let's start. So we are having two windows. First is your browser and second is your notepad window. In notepad window we will do the coding as well as we will see output also. So student, as usual, first line doc type HTML had title. So this one is your body tag. In your body tag we write down the content like home. As usual, see the browser home display on the screen, and now we need to save the file. So click on save as, write down the name with the extension of .html. So now come to the next, we will create next file. This one is your second file. Write down the gallery in h1 in between your body tag. So next, save it, same process, write down the name of the file with the extension of HTML. Done. And now come to the next student. This one is your next file, about us. We have written the content and all type tutorials. So we have done and create all three files. These one are your browsers. First is your gallery, about us and home. These one are three files. Okay. These are pictures. And now see your browser, and we have created three files in HTML. So now this time to create a hyperlink. So student, first we will write down the A. A is your anchor tag, and then after that we will use attribute href. Href means hyperlink reference, and then after that equal to, and then we will use gallery.html. This is the file name, and then write down the gallery to create a link over the text. See, this one is your file name, and then after that this one is your content on which we have created the link, and close your anchor tag. This one is your container tag, and then after that we will write down another link, a href hyperlink reference equal to about us.html. This is your second file name, and then after that about us content. See, so you will refresh your browser, and then after that you can see your output automatically after refreshing. And then after that we have used br tag to break the line. See, before using the br tag we have seen both headings are display on same line, and then after that see, these one are your files, and then after clicking on the link we can move the file. Now come to the next, we will create another link, a href equals to file name in double quotes also. Student, don't forget to write down in a double quotes, and after that, after closing it, about us, and then close your anchor tag and use your br tag. So see, so student, before clicking on the link, see the color blue, and then after that some violet color is there. So we can easily create the link, and we can move the content by clicking on the link. This one is your next file, about us. Do you remember? And create the link, a href equals to index.html, and then after that home. This one is your content on which you have created the link. Next is your gallery.html. This one is your file, and see, Same process, same method, and then after that, see, clicking on it and you can move. So these one are your three files, and we have created interlink between each and every file. So student, this one task is very easy. By using this task we can move and we can navigate different files. So you can do this practical on your computer. So first create your coding, and then after that see the content or output on your browser. So HTML is very interesting, student. Thank you and enjoy this video. Keep it up.